What would happen if your phone stopped working, right when you needed help the most? Most of us store every important number in our phones, but in an emergency, batteries die, phones get lost, and signals disappear. And here's the scary part. Most people can't remember even one important phone number from memory. But there's a simple fix that takes less than 15 minutes, and it could make a huge difference when it matters most. It's called an emergency contact card, a small wallet-sized backup with a list of the people and information you need most. And this isn't just about emergencies, it's about peace of mind, because preparedness doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need perfect plans. You just need to start. First, gather your most important contacts: family, your child's school, a trusted neighbor, your doctor, your workplace. Take a moment to decide who these contacts are for you. Keep it simple. 6 to 8 contacts is enough. Too much information creates confusion when stress is high. Next, write clearly. Add names, phone numbers, and quick notes that could help during an emergency. These notes help you remember why you added them to this important list in the first place. Then add your own information on the back: your name, address, allergies, medications, or important medical notes. If you can, waterproof the card with tape or contact paper. Small preparations today can prevent big problems later. Now, place it in your wallet, somewhere that you'll always have it with you. And here's something important. Completing this tiny task changes your mindset. Confidence doesn't come from thinking about preparedness. It comes from doing something about it. You're no longer starting from zero. You've already taken your first step toward being more ready for life's unexpected moments. And preparedness spreads. Show your family. Help a friend make one too. One small action can protect more people than you realize. 15 minutes today could save valuable time during a genuine emergency tomorrow. Simple, practical, powerful. If you want more simple drills like this, visit readywhenitcounts.com and start with the 15-minute fixes. Because preparedness doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be practiced.